In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your web design capabilities on the Wix platform. So let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to create one. It's a pretty straightforward process, so I won't go into detail here. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard where you can manage your sites and explore various tools Wix has to offer. Next, let's dive into the Wix editor. This is where the magic happens. The Wix editor allows you to design and customize your website with a drag and drop interface. You can access it by selecting your site from the dashboard and clicking on the Edit Site button. Now that you're in the editor, we're going to explore the gallery or repeater feature. This is a powerful way to display content on your site in an engaging and visually appealing way. You can find this feature in the Add menu on the left side. Select List and Grids to view various layout options. This allows you to showcase multiple items in a gallery format, which is perfect for images, videos, or any other content you want to highlight. Once you've selected the perfect layout, you'll want to click on Add to Site. This places the feature onto your web page. You can then adjust it to fit your specific design needs. Next, it's time to populate your gallery by adding thumbnails or previews of your reels. This can be done by uploading screenshots or cover images from your computer or selecting images from Wix's media library. Thumbnails are a great way to give your visitors a sneak peek at the content behind each item in the gallery. Moving ahead, we're going to click on the Wix Pro Gallery feature. This allows for even more enhanced layouts and interactions, providing a polished and professional touch to your web page. To further customize your gallery, click on Manage Media. This is where you link each item in your gallery to either the Instagram Reel link or a Lightbox pop-up with the embedded reel. Linking content in this way keeps your page dynamic and interactive, encouraging visitors to engage more deeply with your content. Once everything is in place, click on Done. With your gallery set up, you'll likely want to see how it looks before going live, and that's where the preview button comes in handy. This feature lets you see exactly how your site will appear to visitors, ensuring everything looks just right. Finally, when you're satisfied with how everything looks and functions, hit publish. This makes all your changes live on the internet for everyone to see. After publishing, click on Done, and that's it. You've now learned the steps to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to update or create stunning web pages with dynamic content galleries. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials in the future.